Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and locate phantom wallet address. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. Now for that, simply go ahead, open up your phantom app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in as well. Now if you would like to simply get the wallet address of yours, that is actually not possible because you just have an address ID, but you can actually check out the address of the kind of cryptocurrency you're gonna receive. For example, if you tap on Solana, we're gonna be able to tap on it. We're going to tap on receive right over here, and we have our address just right over here. We can tap on copy and share this address to whoever we like. We can also choose to share them this QR. We can tap on share address at the bottom as well. And now we have this many methods to us to simply share this ID with the users. Now you can do the same with your other currencies given available right over here, Ethereum, Bitcoin. And if you go to this plus icon on top as well, it will simply show you the 4 crypto that you have added and address of those you can copy. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.